Flanders Moss National Nature Reserve is a vast expanse of all things damp and wonderful. As one of the largest remaining intact raised bogs in Britain, Flanders Moss is a wild and ancient landscape. It has hardly changed for thousands of years. The surface of the moss is a mosaic of mosses and other specialist plants and animals adapted to a land that is mostly water. You can hear the blast of birdsong in spring, see basking lizards in summer, or watch the geese arrive in winter. Flanders Moss is worth a visit at any time of year. The earth really does move when you step out onto Nature Scott's Flanders Moss National Natural Reserve. Now the largest lowland raised bog in the UK, a whole host of specialist plants and animals make their home in this fascinating place. You can enjoy the beautiful wilderness here by strolling along an all abilities boardwalk with a viewing tower that gives fantastic views across the reserve. A stroll along the boardwalk at Nature Scott's Flanders Moss Natural Reserve takes you into remote and waterlogged land. All year, the mosses create a carpet of reds, oranges, and greens. In spring and summer, seas of bog cotton wave in the breeze, and the moss is noisy with the calls of nesting birds. Frogs and toads jump in and out of pools, and lizards bask on the boardwalk. In August, the heather adds its purple to the vivid moss greens, while the calls of geese and swans break the stillness of dusk in winter. Flanders Moss is one of the largest and least damaged lowland raised bogs in Britain and is home to a complex of bog vegetation and mosses. Over millennia, the bog mosses have built up to form a dome shaped mound that rises above the surrounding landscape. The circular path offers close views of the bog inhabitants while keeping visitors safe and dry underfoot. A 7-meter high viewing tower at the start of the path provides a panoramic view of the bog and the surrounding countryside.